विसावा उपरांत परतून तुमकां येवकार. आतां पळोवया उरिल्ल्यो खबरो. पणजे महापालिकेचो परवानो घेनासतना बेकायदेशीरपणान मांडवी न्हंयच्या देगेर लायिल्ले जायरातींचे फलक काडून उडोवन ताचेर कारवाय करतले अशें पणजे महापालिकेचे महापौर सुरेंद्र फुर्तादो हांणी सांगलां. कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट्सान अशा जायरातींक दिल्ले परवाने फाटीं घेवचे अशी मागणी फुर्तादो हांणी मुखार केल्या. RDX गो खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मुनोली.
To our notice 2 days back, there is one advertising company who have been illegally displaying advertising boards along the bank of River Mandovi without the permission of CCP. Yesterday I sent my ATO and my inspectors to remove those boards. Then the owner came and said, no, I've got Captain of Ports permission. Captain of Ports permission is in the middle of the river, not at the bank of our Mandovi river facing our side. And I'm appealing to the media, to the Captain of Ports, Captain, that he should immediately withdraw licenses given by Captain of Ports to display these advertising boards along the river side. Failing which, my inspector will go and remove all the boards. I have already instructed. They might do it today. Nobody is above law, whether it's Captain of Ports or whether it's anybody. In our city, nobody can take us for a ride. I make it loud and clear. Gone are the days GSIDC is to, and Captain of Ports is to do all this thing without our permission. After 11th of March, you will see what happens.
But Commissioner is saying that river चे आपल्या काय हे ना म्हणून.
Commissioner is not applying his mind. Commissioner should go to the act. Commissioner is a bureaucrat. He gets scared of the chief secretary. Forget the chief minister. I get scared of nobody, everybody gets scared of the mayor. In my city, nobody will abuse power, nobody will take law in one hand. The board will be removed by evening.